our major project presentation on work breakdown structure. Our group number is 6 and our group name is Tech Minds and our project guide is Ms. Gayatri Guruvna. So firstly we are going to show our block diagram and after that we are going to show our work breakdown structure. So this is the whole project's block diagram. So firstly we are using microcontroller, that is ESP32, and that ESP32 we have connected our sensors, that is temperature sensor and pH sensor. So our project name is BioRegin Smart Aerobic Biocomposter. So we are making it smarter. This plant is already inbuilt. So BioRegin is our project C. So we are going to sense temperature, pH, and also we are going to measure the soil, that is by using weight measurement, load cell that is connected to microcontroller, and next is motor, that aerobic biocomposter that is now working as manually. So it should not be manual, we are making it smarter. So for that we are going to use a motor automation, and after this hardware integration we are going to make a app, mobile application. That mobile application is going to show the following schemes. The first is pH monitoring on app, and weight monitoring, temperature monitoring, controlling motor, alerts and notification on the app, data storage on cloud. So this is the whole block diagram of our project BioRegin. So next we would like to show our work breakdown structure. So this is our BioRegin Smart Aerobic Biocomposter work breakdown structure. So this is, we have made it very professional and simple. So firstly we can see the branches over here. So first the main part is BioRegin. So we have connected into plans. The first plant is research and planning. Second is the hardware part. And third is software. And fourth part is our final demonstration of project. So I will be explaining the first part, that is research and planning. So firstly we can see here the point, that is literature review and background study. In literature review and background study, what are we going to do? For this project we will require a background study. So उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? जो background study, this is a industry based project. We are going to build this project with the industry. So we are working with a RUR company, that is RUR. You can search it online. So in this we are going to learn study the background study of this project, how it is aerobic biocomposting is working, understanding the background of the project, learning new things about this project. This is the literature review and background study of the project. The second part, that is understanding aerobic biocomposting. What is aerobic biocomposting? So aerobic is something that is air passing through a composting system. So we are going to understand and study paper view of this understanding aerobic biocomposter. And next you can see sensor and component selection, the main part of our project. Sensor and component selection is very important for the project as it is going to work on the system. So we have done literature review and background study, understanding aerobic biocomposting. So this paper planning, after this paper planning we are going to see sensor and component selection. In sensor and component selection, what are the sensor we are going to use, temperature, whatever pH sensor we are going to select in this stage. After this stage is completed, we are going to on our next stage, that is data collection, analysis, system design and integration. So we are going to design a system, how the sensors will be put on the system, how the placement of the system is going to be, and integration hardware and software part of the system. Next we have goals. You can see survey for this project. What is survey for this project is important because this is a system related to sustainability. So survey, in that survey part we are going to make some questions related to the system, feedback for the users, handling users and friends. So this was the part of research and planning part. Next part of hardware, that is going to be explained by my teammate, that is Arun.
So our hardware part consists of two major Your name.
My name is Aditi Jadhav, third year student. So we have the hardware part. In hardware part, consists of two major parts, which is the microcontroller and the sensors. In the microcontroller, we have used the Node MCU ESP32 as the main controller of our system to process. Next, the integration of sensors. So our microcontroller will be responsible for this integration of sensors, collecting data and transmitting it for the further process. Next, we have the sensors. In that, we have used the pH sensor and the temperature sensor to monitor the compost conditions like the pH range and the temperature range for this. Next, we have the weight measurement sensor, measurement sensor that we have used for tracking the amount of materials of compost which is inside that machine. So further, Pari Madekar will explain.
So my name is Pari Madekar. So I am going to explain the software part of this breakdown structure. So there are the two parts, programming integration. In that जो ये pH सेंसर एंड टेम्परेचर सेंसर इंटरफेस करने वाले हैं हम लोग नोड एमसीयू के साथ, उसका जो कोडिंग है वो पहले हम करने वाले हैं. फिर सेकेंड पार्ट में हम लोग IoT बेस्ड ऐप बनाने वाले हैं. उसमें लाइक अगर कुछ सिस्टम में ख़राबी है तो वो अलर्ट करेगा. एंड सेकेंड जो pH सेंसर, टेम्परेचर सेंसर और वेट मेजरमेंट का जो वैल्यू है वो डिस्प्ले होगा ऐप पे. एंड फर्दर चिन्मयी चौगुले विल एक्सप्लेन.
My name is Chinmay Saugule and I am a third year student. So what we will be doing in a final part, I will be explaining. After the three processes, which are research and planning, hardware integration and software integration, we will be going into our last stage and the final stage, which will be consisting of the following points. First will be the prototype testing and fine tuning. In it, when our first prototype will be ready, we will be showcasing it for marks, and also we will be taking the reviews and corrections from our faculty members, and if any changes or if any additions will be suggested, we will be doing in it. Along with that, we will be doing the project documentation and review. Like said, we will be taking the review from the faculty members and also from the users who will be using a project. The next will be after doing the adjustments and after taking the review. We will be doing a final review after making a final project and doing the submission of our projects. We will be doing this in the semester 7 itself, and then further in semester 8 again, if we will get any reviews regarding the project, we will be doing that, and along with that we will be participating in the paper presentation competitions and publishing a paper, and hence we will declare that our project will be completed. Thank you so much for seeing our presentation and your valuable time. Thank you.
Now you are ready for question answer session, no?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll stop. Yes.
Yes.
Live stream.